Gonna be a quick and dirty one, boys. Do some quick maintenance on the car. Slow construction zones. Oh, dusty this thing got. What I'm going to do is put back seats back into the car. As we can see right here, we're missing the back seats. Can you believe this is an accurate part? It's like cardboard. It's gonna be hot too. Still looking all right. What do you think, bud?
Like no oil or something? Don't have oil?
It does. You might change the thermostat out. Hey, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like no seats.
Shelf off for me, bud. You go like that.
Oh, shit.
Hey, don't say bad words, huh?
Shit.
Hey, okay. Let's do it, guys. Alright, that one is busted. That one is okay. 30-year-old plastic, guys. Alright, since we're going back in, just gonna have to clip that over there. It's baby back seats. Carpet's in, rear seats are in. Take passengers now. Last piece of the rear interior is the shelf. It's gonna go right there, baby.